Hey there, curious minds. This is Dr. Rishi from the Learners Academy. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of physics to unravel Sir Isaac Newton's groundbreaking principle, the second law of motion. Newton's second law is a fundamental concept and it helps us to understand how objects move and interact with each other. So grab your thinking caps and let's explore the secret behind motion. The statement of Newton's second law is the acceleration is directly proportional to the force and inversely proportional to the mass of the body. In simple terms, if you push something harder, it would move faster. Let's look at some real-life examples to illustrate Newton's second law of motion. This law is everywhere, from sports to engineering. Whether you're playing soccer, driving a car, or launching a rocket into space, Newton's second law plays a crucial role in predicting and understanding motion. Newton's second law plays an important role in predicting and understanding the motion that a body follows. To witness Newton's second law in action, let's conduct a simple experiment. We apply different forces to this object and observe how the acceleration changes. If I apply a small force and set this object in motion, you'll see that the object is performing a motion. However, the motion is quite slow. So let us check what happens if I increase the force. If I lift the dolphin to a higher extent and let it go, you can see that the force applied would obviously be larger. Why would this force be larger? Because if I raise the dolphin to a higher level, I would end up increasing the potential energy. Larger the potential energy, larger would be the energy that would be stored in it. Larger the potential energy, larger would be the force with which the dolphin would go downwards and get this oscillatory motion set. So far we have seen that the dolphins are tracing a semicircular path. Now let us see what happens if I give it even a larger force. So this time I am going to make sure that I am pushing this dolphin all the way downwards. If you see this position, in this position, maximum amount of energy would be stored in this system. So now I would be releasing it, and you can see these dolphins are oscillating even faster as compared to the previous two times when we released them. This shows that if I apply a larger force, the acceleration that is experienced by the body is going to be larger. And there you have it, folks, the powerful world of Newton's second law of motion. We have only scratched the surface. If you want to delve deeper, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you are notified the moment we upload a new video. Thank you for joining us today. As always, keep questioning, keep exploring, keep asking, and keep that curiosity alive. Until next time, this is Dr. Rishi signing off from the Learners Academy. Happy learning!